Choi Woo-sik, one of the stars of the Oscar-winning Parasite movie, is back to grace your screen with his new film Time to Hunt. If you can't get enough of the versatile actor, here are 20 facts about Choi Woo-sik for you to feed on. Number first, moved to Canada as a child. Choi Woo-sik was born in Seoul, South Korea on 26 March 1990. When he was 10 years old, the actor migrated to the city called Coquitlam in Vancouver, Canada with his family.
Okay, well, they asked me, oh, how long have you been living in Canada? I was like, about 10 years. I was like, oh, then you must be really good at English, right? And
This is when you were,
here, Korea.
when you got to Korea.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And then I'll be like, oh yeah, I'm good at speaking English, but not that good.
Number second was ostracized in the middle school. When Choi Woo-sik first moved to Canada, he couldn't speak English at all and struggled with making friends. The actor received hurtful comments whenever he brought Korean food to school for lunch. The other students said his kimchi was smelly and left him alone. Fortunately, though, the actor managed to befriend a group of Korean students while in high school and formed a 14-member clique called FF14, short for Friends Forever 14.
Did you have the same kinds of problems in high school?
No, high school, I had problems in middle school, but high school I was really good.
Yeah.
We just went for traveling with friends.
Really?
Yeah. High school, I think high school was really fun.
Number third goes by Eddie. Choi Woo-sik's English name is Edward, but friends and family call him by the nickname Eddie.
Don't be nervous, Eddie. You're okay. You're okay.
Okay.
Yes, I did mention you go by Eddie, right?
Yeah.
Is your English name?
Eddie is my English
How'd you
name.
pick Eddie? How'd you get Eddie?
Well, first I thought Edward was kind of, I don't know, charming name.
Okay.
Yeah, but they started calling me Eddie, so okay, Eddie's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 4 went back to Korea to pursue acting. Choi Woo-sik decided to return to South Korea for an audition in 2011. He landed in Seoul a day before his audition and has had 6 hours of sleep before the big event. Tired, unprepared, and according to him, dressed terribly, he failed his first audition. However, he didn't give up and eventually made his acting debut in a period drama The Duo in 2011. Number 5, parents disapproved of his acting career. At the time that Choi Woo-sik flew to Korea for his first audition, he was studying in Simon Fraser University and was well on his way to getting his Bachelor of Arts. His decision to drop out of school for his acting dream didn't sit well with his parents at first. The actor got his way in the end and pursued a degree in cultural studies at Chungang University in South Korea while acting at the same time.
University.
Here?
Yeah, here.
In Korea?
Yeah, as a freshman.
Ah, okay.
And
So your parents must have been very happy to hear you're
Yeah.
still going to university.
yeah. They're really happy about it.
Good. Where are you going to university?
Chungde.
Churungdae.
Yeah.
And you're a student now?
Yep.
Wonderful.
Number 6 was under JYP Entertainment. JYP Entertainment is a South Korean agency that is mainly known for producing top K-pop idols. Choi Woo-sik, however, joined the company as an actor. He appeared in some music videos for Day 6, a boy band under JYP Entertainment. His contract with JYP ended on 7th November 2018 and he decided not to renew it. Number 7 rose to stardom with Set Me Free. His first taste of stardom came after his lead role in Set Me Free in 2014. The film follows a high school boy played by Choi Woo-sik who is put in a group home by his irresponsible father. He reaches the age of 16. He becomes too old to remain at home. Choi Woo-sik's character then enters a Catholic boarding school while pretending to want to be a priest just so he has food and shelter. Number 8 has acted in sitcoms to serious and intense films. Choi Woo-sik has also acted in his fair share of sitcoms including Family, also known as Shudder Family and The Boy Next Door. Number 9 achieved international acclaim with Train to Busan. Prior to Parasite, the actor starred in another internationally successful film, Train to Busan, in 2016. The movie premiered at the 2016 Cannes Festival and grossed $93 million worldwide. Number 10 has worked with Parasite director Bong Joon-ho twice. Bong Joon-ho, the director and mastermind behind Parasite in 2019, is known to be chummy with his actor. Choi Woo-sik and Bong Joon-ho are especially close since the pair also worked together on a Netflix movie Okja in 2017. Number 11 has sibling chemistry with his Parasite co-star. Commented that they look alike and their sibling chemistry is off the roof. Park Seo-dem also sent the actor a food truck to Scent of the Policeman's Lineage, a film that is currently in the works to show her support for him. Number 12, BFFs with V and Park Seo-joon. To add to his list of friends, Choi Woo-sik is part of a BFF squad known as VUGA, consisting of V from BTS, Park Seo-joon, Park Young-sik from ZEA, and musician Peak Boy.
거리나 걷자. 그러자.
Choi Woo-sik and Park Seo-joon are so tight that rumors of them being a gay couple have surfaced in the past, which Choi Woo-sik personally denied. The pair are always making cameos in each of their works, including Divine Fury in 2019 and The Parasite in 2009. Number 13 is not a good speaker. Despite being an actor, Choi Woo-sik isn't the best speaker. He tends to stammer during interviews, causing his co-stars to laugh at his adorable blunders.
그냥 편안한 모습을 찍는 게 최고로 좋은 것 같아요.
Number 14 likes to travel. The star is a travel junkie and has expressed his desire to travel anywhere, even within Korea when he can.
여행 국내라도 좋고 어디든 여행 가는 걸 좋고요.
Number 15 is a lightweight drinker. The actor's tolerance is 1.5 bottles of soju, and he admits that though he enjoys the atmosphere while drinking, he isn't a good drinker. Number 16 has an adorable pet dog. The celeb has a dog named Choco. Fun fact, Choco seems to be a popular name among Korean actors for their pups. Lee Min-ho's pet dog has the same name. Number 17 has difficulty with action scenes. Choi Woo-sik found it difficult to film his action scenes for the movie Monstrum in 2018 and jokingly blamed his body for it. He said, "Whatever I do, I end up failing around. In Monstrum, I made up for the flailing by taking advantage of my sword." He might have struggled with action scenes because of his body, but it was also his physique that played a part in getting him the role in Parasite. Director Bong Joon-ho approached the actor after Okja asking him to stay skinny because Ki-woo, Choi Woo-sik's character in Parasites, needs to be really skinny and kind of looking vulnerable. Number 18 wants to venture into directing. The actor is trying to pick up directing via baby steps. In an interview, he says that he plans to use his spare time to do some script writing and video editing to get closer to his goal.
취미는 제가 이제 좀 그 영상 편집도 해보고 그 시나리오도 좀 써보고 해서 다른 인터뷰나 이런 데서 뭐 연출도 뭐 얘기해보고 이랬는데 가까이 가보려고 계획하고 있습니다.
Number 19 got tattooed for Time to Hunt. For his role as Ki-hoon in Time to Hunt in 2020, the actor got fake tattoos drawn to make it believable that he was friends with the older guys since he was the youngest of the cast. The tattoos spanned his neck and arms, and the actor mentioned that he had to arrive early for shoots to prep for his tattooed look. If we were filming at, for example, 6 o'clock, I had to arrive at like 4 o'clock. Number 20 has more in the store for his fans. Beside the Policeman's Lineage, the Parasite actor is rumored to be part of a star-studded cast for an upcoming movie, Wonderland. For now, word is that the cast will consist of Choi Woo-sik, Gong Yoo, Park Bo-gum, Suzy, and Jung Yoo-mi. The star is also in talks to make his American film debut with Past Lives, though it remains unconfirmed for now. His company management, Soup, released a statement saying Choi Woo-sik is currently looking over the casting offer for the Past Lives. So guys, that's it. If you know more facts about Choi Woo-sik, please let us share with us in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys.